Hi, thanks for joining me. We're going to be making my version of Paleo Tzatziki. I lived in Greece some years ago for a couple of months and became utterly addicted to this stuff. So it was one of the things that I really have missed since going paleo, but not anymore. You would never know there's no dairy in this, and the taste is just phenomenal. It goes superbly with chicken and rice. It goes with falafel. It's a great snack with cut up veggies. Literally, you know, so many uses for this, and it's just delicious and healthy. So how can you possibly go wrong? And here we go. And here's all the ingredients you're going to need to make this Paleo Tzatziki. You need avocado mayonnaise, coconut milk yogurt, dried dill, cucumber, and try and get it's about a third of an English type cucumber. And you need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a couple of spring onions, garlic powder, pink Himalayan sea salt, and black pepper. And that's it. So the first thing we're going to do is put the wet ingredients into our bowl and then the salt and pepper. We need a third of a cup of avocado mayonnaise, and we'll get that in there really quick. There we go. Okay. Now we need the coconut yogurt, and we're going to need 2/3 of a cup of that. So get cracking with that. I don't know if you make your own coconut yogurt or if you buy it, but I find that this so delicious one, well, I hate to sound corny, but it is. It's really good, and it's very reasonable as well. I know that you can pay sort of up to about $20 for coconut yogurt, but this is about $5, and it works a treat for this. Okay, so there we are. Now we need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and we'll just quickly get that together. Won't take a second, and then we can put in the salt and pepper and so on. Last of all, of course, we're going to sort out the veggies, and then we're done. It really, I wasn't even kidding, it could not be simpler. So a whole teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, next thing we're going to do is put in the salt and the pepper. That's to taste. I like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Done. For the dill, again, it's kind of to taste, but I like 1/2 tablespoon. I think that's perfect for this quantity. If you want more, by all means, you know, not a stickler, go for it. It's got to be something that you like, and then you'll make it again. And hopefully you'll give me a like and also subscribe. So as you can see, we're getting that together. It's starting to look the part, but it needs the cucumber and the spring onion now. So we're going to get those ready and pop them in here. Okay, chopping time. I'm going to peel this and chop it small, the cucumber. We're going to chop the spring onions up, and then we'll just pop them into the bowl with everything else. I can't even tell you how much I miss this stuff over the years, and I can't believe it's taken me this many years to figure out that, oh, I can make a paleo version. Anyway, non-dairy, paleo, whatever your reason for getting dairy out of your life, this is fantastic. Even if you still eat dairy, I'm not even joking, this is an amazing version. So, and you've seen how quickly it gets put together. Kids will love it. It's great for parties. Here we are. There we go, all done. Into the bowl, and we'll just mix it. And guess what? We're done. See? even I have to be quick when it comes to this because it's just ready so quickly. I mean, I can't even stretch this out. Give it a taste in a moment and we'll see if it needs anything else. Everything's in, and we'll just give it a taste, see if any of the seasoning needs adjusting, and then we're good to go. I nearly forgot to tell you one of the most important things in this is the garlic, and nearly forgot it, didn't I? But hey, I'm only human. So we're going to put in a teaspoon of garlic. And oh my goodness, I actually can't believe I did that. 1 teaspoon of garlic. Sometimes I put in that bit more, but that's how important it is. Duh. Okay, so don't forget the garlic. Very important component. Funnily enough, it tasted good before. It's just that it was almost perfect. It wasn't quite there, and I didn't know why for a second. Okay. Okay, now it really is perfect. Just want to go in for a close-up to show you this really gorgeous dip, sauce, whatever you want to use it for. And that is ready to go. So we've made paleo dairy-free tzatziki, and that's it from me for today. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.
If you like this video, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe.